simple solution is usually the best one. Today I would like to share with you what I found in our health food store. We have loads of great offers today. First of all, I found some sweet corn, and sweet corn is totally delicious, especially when you put it in your salad, or if you decide to blend it. It's very, very sweet. So I love sweet corn. I use it on a daily basis at the moment, as long as it's there. I use it in my salads in the evenings, and I love it. So I bought 7 of them, 7 sweet corn cobs, and they cost 99 cents. Can you imagine that? Which is very cheap, because usually they cost $1.99 or $2.99. Then we have zucchinis, which are really fresh. You have to make sure zucchinis are really, really firm, because if they're a little bit soft, then you don't want to have them, because I find they don't taste as sweet and as fresh. When you choose a watermelon, you have to make sure that it sounds good. And what does it mean? It should sound like it's empty inside, but not totally empty. Kind of half empty. Then it's good. If it sounds too empty, if it sounds like it's completely empty, then it's also not good. And also you have to try and press on it, and if it's soft on the outside, then don't buy it. It's not fresh anymore. So that's my experience, and I wanted to share it with you. Here I got a big red bell pepper, which is going to be delicious, I'm sure. And I got some apples, which are the new apples already, and they're from France, and they smell really, really delicious. So, and the best thing of all is, drum roll please, we have, guess what it is? Dandelions, baby, dandelions! I love you. Mwah. So now you don't have any more excuses. If you tell me you don't have any time to go and pick wild edibles, no more excuses. You can go to your local health food store and get some wild edibles there. So it's wonderful. Usually I pick them, but today I decided that they look so good. I mean, it's huge, isn't it? Usually dandelions are tiny, so I was wondering why it's like that, but nobody could explain it to me. So these are probably very special dandelions. I love the taste of dandelions, but if you're not used to it, then you might find them too bitter. You have to get used to it. But exactly that bitterness is what we need, you know? That's exactly what our body needs. So put all this beauty into your body, enjoy life, and keep thriving, because it's your birthright. I think it's so beautiful to live like this. This Rawking lifestyle is one of the best things that ever happened to me, and I'm truly grateful for that. And that's why I'm sharing this message, because my vision is to have a world where everybody went raw vegan and nobody can stop talking about it. Everybody's like, woo, this is so cool, let's do it. And at some point we'll stop talking about it, of course, because it'll become totally natural. It is natural, but we forgot all about it. I think we were born as raw vegans, then we forgot all about it, and now we're going back to Mother Nature, which is beautiful. All these things I bought cost around 30 euros, 31 euros 30 cents, as far as I can remember, and I think it's a great deal. So if I can buy organic fruits and veggies, then so can you. You can enjoy it just as much as I do. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with the whole world. Because we need this fresh message, this beautiful gift which we forgot all about. So it's time to remember, time to start enjoying life to the fullest. And you can do it. You can start doing it right away. It's just a question of making the right decision. Make the right decision, set your priorities straight, and you're ready to go. It's so easy. Okay, perhaps it's not always easy, but it's simple. Those are the simple steps you can follow, and then it will become easy because you'll create new habits, new rituals, and then you'll stay in a flow. You create a new flow, and then when you gain momentum, that's it. You will never want to stop this because this is truly beautiful. It's the best thing that ever happened to me, the roving lifestyle. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for that I want to spread the message. I want to spread the great news. And I need you to help me with this if you like the roving lifestyle as much as I do, or if you're interested in it, then let's keep rocking together, everyone. So I'm looking forward to reading your questions and comments down below and to seeing you again in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Mwah. Some of you know that I don't have a car, and people often ask me how I carry all these veggies and fruit and how many times I have to go shopping during the day. And the answer is simple. I have this little darling here where I can put all my veggies and all my greens and all my fruit. And it's a great solution because I don't have to carry anything. I can just roll it. A simple solution is usually the best one. But why do I eat so much sweet corn? Because I read the book Born to Run. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there is a tribe in Mexico. They are very fast runners, apparently the fastest runners in the world. Their secret is that they eat sweet corn every single day. They eat sweet corn for breakfast, for lunch, and for supper. And they even make a drink out of sweet corn. That's why I decided it can't hurt and gave it a try. And I absolutely love the taste of sweet corn. It tastes so sweet and juicy, it's just gorgeous. So if you put in your salad, works great. If you blend it, works amazing. Everything works with sweet corn. I love it. And you don't have to cook it. Eat it raw because it's gorgeous. If you know what it tastes like, then you won't want to cook it anymore. It's amazing. So that's why I eat so much sweet corn. As long as it's there now in summer, it's always a very short period of time. I eat it every day.